Hello, I am Makayla. We are drawing a Stegosaurus. We're now red for its back legs. And let's do a few patches. Oh, obviously the spikes on it are like triangle shapes. Oh, and the 4 little lions, for whatever it's called, things on it. Oh, and the eye. Now let's make dots. And colour them red. We are colouring red. La 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 la. So, what dinosaur is your favourite? Mine's the Velociraptor. The Velociraptor. The Velociraptor is a book I like. I used to love it when I was a baby. It's a red, and then he wraps and save him from mean T-Rexes. And then he wraps a lot. Oh, we're colouring in spikes. Okay then. We are drawing its belly. So, we're colouring pink tongue. There. Now we are colouring in the body, but not the eye. We don't want an orange eye. Or maybe that, but even the iris that goes around the pupil is not orange. I bet you never seen someone with an orange eye. It's a bit cool. See, and then the black thing is the pupil. Black thing in your eye is the pupil. Oh, but you're on a tree. And then the thing that goes around it is called the iris. That's what can be lots of colours like blue, green, brown. We're drawing the sun with lots. Then in the middle, we're drawing it like between. Oh, look, we're drawing a lake. And some birds. More birds. Loads of birds. Oh. And some more birds. Now we're drawing the grass. Then darker grass on that side. Then on the top, then darker grass. Now colour it all in, but not with light green, but not with the things that go to the bits of dark grass. A bit dark. We're doing dark. Now we are doing a volcano that explodes. It has the lava is basically like the volcano is so hot that it explodes when all the rocks melt. I know it's weird because it's like, I really think it should be black because like the rocks are black. It's so confusing. Anyway, and now we're drawing the sky. Well, colouring the sky. Now a bit dark. I know this might seem way too dark, and it looks like it's night time, but you'll see what's going to happen. Okay, this is my favourite bit. As you put light blue, it looks darker. See? It's cool that Jesus made the earth. Make sure to subscribe. Jesus loves you.